In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the AI error 500 error in Notion, step by step, using simple and safe methods that work in 2026. If you've been using Notion AI and suddenly hit an error 500 message, you're not alone. This is a common server-related issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes without losing any of your work. We'll go through every solution in order, starting from the quickest fix to more reliable troubleshooting steps. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, the very first thing you should do when you see an AI error 500 in Notion is wait and retry. Error 500 usually means there's a temporary server issue on Notion's side. Give it about 30 seconds to a minute, then try running the AI command again. In many cases, the error disappears on its own once the server stabilizes. This is especially common during peak usage hours, when a lot of users are accessing Notion AI at the same time. If waiting doesn't work, move on to the next step, which is refreshing the page. Simply reload your Notion page using the refresh button in your browser, or by pressing Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This reloads the workspace and reestablishes the connection to Notion servers. After the page reloads, try use your Notion AI again and see if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing you should do is shorten your prompt. Long or complex prompts can sometimes trigger AI processing errors. Try breaking your request into smaller parts. For example, instead of asking Notion AI to generate a full report in one prompt, ask it to outline the report first, then expand each section separately. Shorter prompts reduce the load on the AI system and often fix error 500 issues instantly. If that still doesn't work, it's time to check Notion's service status. Open a new browser tab and go to the official Notion status page. Here, you can see if Notion AI or other services are currently experiencing outages or degraded performance. If there's an active incident, the best solution is simply to wait until Notion resolves it on their end. Trying to troubleshoot further won't help if the servers are down. Now, if Notion status shows everything is operational and you're still facing the error, the next fix is to log out and log back into your account. Logging out clears temporary session data that may be causing the issue. To do this, click on your profile icon in Notion, select Log Out, then close your browser completely. Reopen the browser, log back into Notion, and try using Notion AI again. This step fixes the issue more often than you might expect. At this point, most users will have the error 500 problem resolved. If none of these steps worked, the issue is almost certainly on Notion's backend and will be fixed automatically. Just keep an eye on the status page and retry later. And that's how you fix the AI error 500 error in Notion quickly and safely. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.